Do you ever wonder why some businesses such as like Amazon or Apple are so successful? And have you ever really realized how some companies give away many things for free? Well, in this video, I'm gonna answer all of that and more and give you the 3 best tips with how to start an online business. And it's coming up right after this. What's up, legends? I hope you're all having a blessed day. It's Preston here with Personal Legends, giving you great tips and tricks with becoming an entrepreneur, growing your social media platforms, and giving you the right mindset for it. On this channel, I'm gonna be providing you with all the knowledge that I've been learning from my mentors, plus some things I'm learning myself on my personal journey. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and clicking that bell notification to be kept up with my videos. So let's go ahead and hop into the 3 tips. So tip number 1 is going to be have an actual product. You have to start somewhere, so you have to have a product. Whether that product is going to be an affiliate marketing program such as like Amazon affiliates or Shopify, or if you're gonna have your own digital product that you personally are selling that's downloadable online, or if you're gonna have your own physical product. Overall, you just need to start off with a product. However, in my opinion, I definitely recommend for it to be a digital product. This is going to save you a massive amount of money when it comes to manufacturing and producing an actual physical product and save you on shipping costs. So like for me, I want to build my personal brand, Personal Legends, and offer a digital product that can help others grow their personal brand and business. However, right now I am so blessed to be a part of an amazing affiliate program that basically provides everything for me. And if you're interested in Legendary Marketer, the program that I'm a part of, a link will be in the description box down below that will take you to a video that will explain everything in detail. So number 2, that's 4. Number 2, have a low ticket product, or even better, have a free product. So many people want to start off with a high ticket product in their business. This is a starting a business 101 thing that will make you fail immediately. So let's say that you're selling a coffee mug for $10. It costs about $5 to make and you sell about 100 of them, equaling about $500 for that month. Well, that's great. But now you have to throw in costs for advertising, you have to throw in costs for shipping, and the other multiple costs that it takes to sell a product. What you really want is a product that's at a low ticket price. You really want to offer this product that's between $1 and $3, but at best, offer it for free. Because I have a saying, when it's free, it's me. Because at that point, you can use something that's called a sales funnel, and in another video, we will go into detail about what a sales funnel is. But also, this is why having a downloadable digital product is so much better than having a physical product, because you can avoid so many costs. But having a free product also allows you to give that potential customer a taste of what you're offering. This is why in grocery stores they have taste testing for products that they're selling, and usually it's a new product. Because when you try it and you love it, you're gonna buy it. It's no different with non-edible products as well, guys. And remember, in one of our last videos, we also learned about trust. That's super important. It's also building trust with that potential customer. But also always remember, many times you must lose to be able to gain in business. So number 3 is to use a value ladder. So a value ladder is to either offer a product at a low ticket price or to even offer it for free. But it's gonna be at the front end of the things that you're selling. This should potentially allow you to be able to break even, which is basically not allowing you to make any profit. However, this is a good thing, because then later you can end up offering a higher ticket product on the back end and end up making a good amount of profit. This is why Apple is so successful. Actually, their iPhone is a product that doesn't really make them any profit, along with their headphones and their chargers and all of those low ticket priced items. They're what's called break-even products. However, when you fall in love with the iPhone, then you want to buy the iPad. Now that you've fallen in love with the iPad, you now want to get the iMac desktop computer. And then you've fallen in love with the iMac desktop computer, now you want to upgrade your TV and you want to go to an Apple TV. As you go up the ladder, those are all the high ticket priced items that are making this company profit. So let's quickly go ahead and give a personal example. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I am still on my journey of growing and trying to get my social media influence out there and eventually making Personal Legends into a social media platform that can help others grow. So let's say that I am finally ready to release my first Personal Legends product. My first product is going to be an ebook that is how to grow your YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers. It contains a lot of valuable information, and a lot of people that are using it are finding it helpful and actually growing on YouTube. So I offer other ebooks on how to grow other social media platforms, and I offer them for $10. Now they're definitely wanting more because now their Instagrams and their Twitters are starting to grow. So now I offer a monthly personal coaching program that I offer for $50 per month, and I maybe take on, like, let's say 10 to 20 clients per month. They end up loving that so much that they want even more. So I offer a $1,000 90-day program of how to grow your social media platform into a business. Do you see the power in how much money that you can make? And let's say over time I have 1,000 people that are interested in all of these products. That income is going to build up over time. And it all started with giving something away for free. Now again, this is something that's hypothetical. However, I know it works because I have many mentors that implement this strategy. But it's all completely 100% based off, is my product good quality and giving value? And that is for everybody's products out there. That is why truly believing and knowing your product is the #1 thing that's going to allow you to fail or succeed. If you want to learn more great tips like this, then definitely check out this free book written by one of my mentors and the CEO of Legendary Marketer, David Sharp. The book is called Legendary Marketer: How to Build a Digital Marketing Business and Earn Unlimited Income from Anywhere in the World. And the greatest part is it's free. All you have to do is pay for shipping. And I will link it in the description box down below. Click that subscribe button. I upload videos every Saturday, and I have business mindset tips, how to grow on social media, and more. Remember, never forget your reason, never stop learning, never give up, and most of all, always live for your personal legend. Have a blessed day.